So we've had quite a lot of bad weather here in the UK. Fitting wise, I'm a little bit behind on fitting because the weather has been really, really bad. I don't know if you're in the UK or abroad, but yeah. Production, we've got lots of gates made, but unfortunately the fitting wise we are behind. So we've contacted customers, haven't we, Money?
Yeah, it's not easy when a lot of the houses are flooded, is it?
I know, this is it. We've got a lot of flooding here in the UK, but I can't fit a gate when it's really, really bad weather, unfortunately. But we are prepared for the winter. We've known from previous experience, haven't we, Money, that we just have to go with the flow.
And it's dark now at 5.
Yeah, the clocks have changed now, haven't they?
Yeah.
So it is dark now at 5 o'clock, and then it'll be 4:30, and then it'll be 4 o'clock. So this is why we always rush in the spring, summer and autumn, because we know in the winter what happens.
We have quite a few days off. Well, we don't have days off, we're still busy working.
Yeah, we're busy, but it's hard to do the work when it's absolutely chucking down with rain. So yeah, how is everybody? Everybody all right? I haven't seen you for a couple of weeks. How is everybody? To all the people that's followed us before?
Yeah, we've had some time out on YouTube.
Yeah, we've had some time out. So sometimes you need a week or two just to have a rest from YouTube.
Yeah.
So yeah, we just had a time out. The children have been off school on their school holidays, aren't they?
Halloweeny, isn't it?
Yeah, over Halloween time. So we thought we'd take a week off, week and a half off YouTube, haven't we?
Yeah.
So it's good to have a break. You got to have a break.
Yeah.
So anyway, that's me waffling. We're on the way to the customer's house.
No, we're going to get Callum.
Oh, sorry, we're going to pick up Callum first, and then on the way to the customer's house. So I'm going to meet you there, okay? Right. Just unloading everything.
Are you cold? Where's your jacket?
It's in there. It is a little bit chilly. Yeah, need that one. And then just get the outside, okay? So this is the inside. Right, you need to put your drop belt on. Yeah, this is it, you see, because you've got to judge if it's going to miss the floor or not. But I think maybe, because they're only tiny, yeah, maybe take one off. Because you've got to, it's that there, isn't it? Maybe take one off.
I should have done my driveway first, Sean, because I'm going to get that done next. Tarmacking it.
Oh yeah.
I should have done it first.
You need a bit of height then for the flooring.
Lower that down. That's what the shoe is. Oh, it's all go, isn't it? Right, so what we're doing is, haven't really explained, we're putting drop bolts on one side, so it's going in the middle. I've gone over the top. Normally you'll have about 450mm, but I've gone for 600. Double strap hinge set with hooks and plate, okay? Lovely cup of tea from the customer, that's what we love. Beautiful. Right, just have a look, see what comes with it.
So I'm marking where I mark down where I put those ones on here, and then I'm putting line there and put these. I marked it, so they're both the same. I use the spirit level to do a straight line like that.
Right, so what I'm doing is, I'll put the top plate on first, the bottom one, okay, equalised it, so it's nice and equal, and I'm going to drill in holes, which are for these, okay, and they're going to go in there, but this is inside, so they go on that way, so that's my next job. So if you come a bit closer, so Can's put the drop bolt on the inside. I'm putting these on, okay. So I've used a 10mm drill bit to go all, a wooden drill bit to go all the way through to make the hole. Now I'm going to put these on. So you have got, bear in mind, a bit of a close up. You have got a little bit of a lip here. Okay, so basically these lines I've got to go up into these. So my advice is don't go all the way in, and then just move it around so that slots in. I don't know if you can see that on there. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah. because if they're out like that, they're not going to go all the way in, so be a bit careful. I haven't done it as close as I can to here. I've left a little gap.
Well, that's some stuff I always get that.
Right, so what's next is we're going to put these on for a customer. They've already paid for them already. So just as a favour. I've known the guy since I was 16 and a half. So I'm doing him a favour. I'll put them on. Off. Just over. I'll have to leave. Oh God, I'll have to leave it like that. So we've put on this gate. It's not our gate, but the customer bought the gate, but we just put it on for him. We've done the 5-bar gate, and we've done another gate round the corner. You okay, Callum, baby? Yeah, good, mate. So I've done that. Oh, side dude. And I'm just going to flick you around, and that looks beautiful. Closes and shuts beautiful. Again, like normal. Don't have to touch the handle. Chute belt inside, and that's that one. I can't put 3 hinges on there because it won't allow me to, but that's all good.